Hi friends, welcome to this channel, A Life of Excellence. Today we are baking banana cake. Yep, banana cake. And first of all, we're gonna just grease our pan with some melted butter. And right after greasing our pan, we're gonna preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And this would be baking for 50 minutes, or depending on how baked your banana cake is. And the next thing, we're going to line up baking pan with some parchment paper. We're going to line it up with some parchment paper just to prevent it from sticking. And then we're going to go ahead and grab 4 medium-sized bananas. The mushier it is, the better. Yeah, we're going to just go ahead and mash them. It doesn't need to be fancy. Just go ahead and mash it with your fork. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to, bake this for the kids. Sometimes they just need something to snack on, and this is something I like to make for them. The last time I did this was banana bread, but today I decided to switch it up and make some banana cake. This is the banana cake recipe. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. If you're returning, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is me just mashing and mashing and mashing. And this is how it looks. Yeah, it still has a bit of chunk. And the next thing now, we're going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of melted butter and a cup of white sugar. You can do half brown sugar and half white sugar, but I ran out of the brown sugar, so I'm going to use 1 full cup of white sugar. And then the next thing, we're going to break in some eggs, 2 eggs. And after that, we are just going to go ahead and put in half a cup of milk. And then a vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a cup of milk. And then we're just going to go ahead and put in our flour, right? We're going to add in our flour, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm just sieving it just so that it's all nice and smooth. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. You can go ahead and add your cinnamon powder if you wish, just to give it, just make it taste a little bit, just for the taste. And then we're adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're going to add our salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir it all up and mix it properly. Yeah, my bowl is a bit small, but we're going to make it work. Let's go ahead and mix. Don't mix too much, but just mix and mix and mix. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep on mixing, and then I'm done mixing it. Nice and beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead now and pour it into our greased parchment paper lined pan. Carefully pour it in there. And then when we're done pouring it, we're going to tap it to take away the bubbles and the air. Make sure the bubbles and the air is gone. And then we're going to toss it into the oven, like I said before, 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. And we're all done. This is so beautiful. Beautiful banana cake. Let it cool first before you begin to slice. The house smells so good. It is so beautiful, and I love the way it came out. Thank you so much, guys. If this was nice and beautiful, please smash the like button, share and subscribe. I have so many other videos down. You can take a look at it. More beautiful videos coming, more recipes coming. Yeah, this is just me slicing into the banana cake. It came out so nice. Very nice and moist. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. Like and share and subscribe. Bye.